Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because the news cycle is absolutely exploding, and we've got the critical updates you need to know right here, right now. The pace of innovation is relentless, and staying ahead means being plugged into the absolute latest. Today, we're diving deep into developments that could reshape your digital world. From groundbreaking AI integrations to exciting new tools hitting the market, you're about to get the inside scoop that you won't find anywhere else. Don't just keep up, lead the charge. Stick around, because you're not going to want to miss a single second of this. First up, a seismic shift might be coming to one of the most familiar digital assistants out there. We're talking about a potential AI-powered overhaul that could make your interactions completely revolutionary. Get ready for some serious upgrades. Then, we're heading over to the world of AI-powered search and browsing. A major player in this space is gearing up to expand its reach, bringing its innovative approach to a whole new massive user base. This could change how you access information on the go. And that's not all. We've got insights into a major company potentially integrating cutting-edge AI models into their core products, aiming to go head-to-head with the biggest names in the game. Plus, we'll touch on some behind-the-scenes moves that are shaping the future of search. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. Apple's AI ambitions spark Siri overhaul. Apple is reportedly poised to revolutionize its long-standing voice assistant, Siri, with a powerful AI-driven web search capability, aiming to finally challenge the dominance of rivals like ChatGPT and Perplexity. This significant upgrade, internally codenamed World Knowledge Answers, is slated to be a major component of a broader Siri enhancement expected to roll out next spring. The goal is to transform Siri from a simple command taker into a sophisticated answer engine, capable of providing comprehensive responses by leveraging large language models, LLMs. This move signifies Apple's aggressive push into the generative AI space, seeking to close the perceived gap in its AI offerings. The new system is designed to go far beyond Siri's current limitations, which often result in basic answers or redirection to web searches. World Knowledge Answers aims to synthesize information from across the internet, presenting users with concise summaries derived from text, images, and even video content. This dynamic approach promises to make Siri more intuitive and useful for complex queries, potentially integrating multimedia elements directly into its responses. Sources suggest that this enhanced functionality might eventually extend beyond Siri, finding its way into other core Apple products like the Safari web browser and the ubiquitous Spotlight search tool on iPhones and iPads. Such an expansion would embed advanced AI capabilities across Apple's ecosystem, fundamentally altering how users interact with their devices for information retrieval. In a strategic move that highlights the complex interdependencies within the tech industry, Apple is reportedly collaborating with Google for this ambitious project. While the AI models powering World Knowledge Answers will be hosted on Apple's own private cloud compute servers and will not be explicitly branded as Google or Gemini, they are understood to be based on Google-developed LLMs. This partnership builds upon a long-standing relationship, as Google has maintained its position as the default search engine on Apple devices, a lucrative arrangement recently affirmed by a U.S. court. This collaboration underscores Apple's pragmatic approach to AI development, leveraging existing strengths while focusing on seamless integration into its proprietary hardware and software. It's also reported that Apple had previously explored using Anthropic's Claude models, but the asking price of $1.5 billion annually was deemed too high compared to Google's offering, signaling a strong focus on cost-effectiveness in its AI partnerships. The financial terms of the current arrangement with Google remain undisclosed, but the scale of the project suggests a significant investment. This development is particularly noteworthy given Apple's traditionally more cautious approach to integrating emerging technologies. The push for a more capable Siri suggests a strategic shift in response to the rapidly evolving AI landscape and increasing user expectations. Industry analysts are watching closely to see if this AI-powered Siri can finally deliver on the promise of a truly intelligent assistant, potentially reclaiming market share and redefining user interaction with mobile devices. The market impact could be substantial, as a successful AI integration by Apple could set new benchmarks for voice assistants across the industry. But this isn't the only major AI development on the horizon. Get ready, because a popular AI browsing tool is about to become available on a whole new platform. Perplexity's Comet browser lands on Android soon. Big news for Android users who are passionate about cutting-edge AI-powered search and browsing experiences. Perplexity AI, a company rapidly making waves with its conversational search engine, has announced that its innovative Comet browser is officially coming to the Android platform. Pre-registration is now open, signaling that the launch is imminent and giving eager users a chance to be among the first to experience this next-generation browsing tool. Comet, Perplexity's in-house browser, is built from the ground up with AI at its core. Unlike traditional browsers that simply display web pages, Comet is designed to actively assist users in their online research and information gathering. It integrates Perplexity's powerful AI capabilities directly into the browsing experience, offering features such as AI-powered summarization of articles, the ability to ask follow-up questions directly within the browser interface, and intelligent content discovery. The goal is to streamline the process of finding, understanding, and utilizing information online, making research more efficient and intuitive. This focus on AI integration aims to differentiate Comet from established browsers by offering a more proactive and intelligent way to navigate the web. The move to Android is a significant step for Perplexity, expanding the reach of Comet to a massive global audience. Android holds the largest market share among mobile operating systems worldwide, and bringing Comet to this platform has the potential to dramatically increase Perplexity's user base and influence in the AI search and browsing arena. This expansion is crucial for Perplexity, as it seeks to compete not only with traditional search engines, but also with other AI-driven tools and browsers that are emerging in the market. The pre-registration campaign is likely designed to build hype and gauge user interest, ensuring a strong launch day presence. While the specific release date for the Android version of Comet has not yet been announced, the opening of pre-registration indicates that the launch is likely just weeks or a few months away. Users who pre-register will typically be notified first when the browser becomes available and may receive early access or exclusive perks. This strategy is common for app launches and helps create initial momentum. Perplexity has been steadily building its reputation for providing accurate, cited AI-generated answers, and bringing this capability into a dedicated browser environment is a natural extension of its product strategy. The browser aims to offer a more focused and less cluttered experience compared to using Perplexity's AI features through a standard web interface or app. Industry observers view Perplexity's expansion onto Android as a key move in its growth strategy. By offering a dedicated AI-native browser, Perplexity is positioning itself as a serious contender in the evolving landscape of how people access and process information online. The success of Comet on Android could significantly influence the direction of browser development, encouraging other companies to integrate AI more deeply into their offerings. User reactions to the announcement have been largely positive, with many expressing excitement about having a more intelligent browsing tool readily available on their Android devices. And speaking of major players making bold AI moves, we've got even more on Apple's AI strategy and how it might shake up the industry. Zacks Equity Research spotlights market trends. In a recent analysis, Zacks Equity Research has provided valuable insights into the current financial market landscape, focusing on key trends and potential impacts for investors. While the specific details of their latest report are geared towards their subscriber base, the research firm's reputation for in-depth analysis suggests a focus on macroeconomic indicators, sector performance, and company-specific valuations that are critical for navigating today's complex economic environment. Zacks Equity Research is known for its quantitative approach, utilizing data-driven methodologies to identify investment opportunities and risks across a broad spectrum of publicly traded companies. The firm's work often involves dissecting financial statements, analyzing industry dynamics, and forecasting future earnings to provide a comprehensive view of market conditions. Their reports aim to equip investors with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions, whether they are focused on long-term growth, income generation, or capital preservation. The mention of specific stock tickers like PYPL, PayPal, Reliance Steel and Aluminum Co., and SEZL, Saratoga Investment Corp., indicates that their research likely covers a diverse range of industries, from technology and financial services to industrials and beyond. This broad coverage allows Zacks to offer a holistic perspective on market movements and the factors influencing stock performance. For investors following Zacks research, the implications often revolve around understanding shifts in market sentiment, the impact of regulatory changes, and the performance of different asset classes. Their analyses can highlight areas of potential overvaluation or undervaluation, guiding investors toward strategic portfolio adjustments. The firm's commitment to timely updates means that their research is often responsive to current events, providing commentary on how emerging news and economic data might affect investment strategies. This proactive stance is crucial in a market that is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements, geopolitical events, and changing consumer behavior. The core value proposition of Zacks Equity Research lies in its ability to distill complex financial information into actionable intelligence. By providing detailed reports and analyses, they aim to demystify the stock market and empower individuals and institutions to pursue their financial goals more effectively. Their focus on providing a better trading environment underscores their dedication to enhancing the capabilities of their clients through superior research and analytical tools. The firm's ongoing contribution to market discourse provides a vital resource for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of financial markets and investment strategies. User impact. Subscribers to Zacks services gain access to these detailed analyses, helping them stay informed about market dynamics and company performance. But while some focus on market analysis, others are looking to integrate AI into the very fabric of how we search for information. Stay tuned as we reveal more about Apple's ambitious plans. Apple Siri poised for AI-powered renaissance. Get ready for a significant evolution in how you interact with your devices, as reports indicate Apple is gearing up to infuse Siri with powerful AI-driven web search capabilities. This strategic move, detailed in recent insider reports, positions Apple to directly challenge industry leaders like OpenAI and Perplexity, aiming to transform Siri into a truly intelligent assistant. Internally codenamed World Knowledge Answers, this ambitious project is reportedly targeting a spring release next year, marking a potential turning point for a voice assistant long perceived as lagging behind its competitors. The core of this overhaul lies in integrating advanced large language models, LLMs, the same technology powering generative AI tools like ChatGPT, directly into Siri's functionality. This will enable Siri to act as a comprehensive answer engine, capable of synthesizing information from the vast expanse of the internet. Unlike its current iteration, which often provides limited responses or redirects users, the new Siri is expected to deliver dynamic answers incorporating text, images, and potentially video. An AI-powered summarization feature is also anticipated, making complex information more digestible and accessible. This upgrade aims to significantly enhance the accuracy and utility of Siri's responses, making it a more formidable tool for everyday information retrieval across Apple's ecosystem, including potential integration into Safari and Spotlight. Crucially, Apple is not embarking on this AI journey entirely alone. The company has reportedly forged an agreement with Google to test and evaluate a Google-developed AI model for powering the upcoming Siri enhancements. This collaboration builds upon the long-standing partnership, where Google serves as the default search engine on Apple devices, a deal recently reconfirmed by judicial review, albeit with some modifications. While the AI models will operate within Apple's proprietary infrastructure, ensuring user data privacy and avoiding explicit Google branding, this partnership leverages Google's extensive expertise in search and AI. This strategic alliance allows Apple to accelerate its AI development timeline while benefiting from established infrastructure and advanced model development, a pragmatic approach to competing in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. It's also worth noting that Apple had previously considered other AI partners, including Anthropic, but financial considerations appear to have steered them towards the Google collaboration. The implications of this AI-powered Siri overhaul are substantial. By enhancing Siri's ability to understand and respond to complex queries, Apple aims to boost user engagement and reaffirm its position in the competitive AI assistant market. This move aligns with Apple's broader strategy to integrate more sophisticated AI features, often referred to as Apple Intelligence, across its product lines. The success of this initiative could redefine user expectations for voice assistants and strengthen the Apple ecosystem by offering a more seamless and intelligent user experience. Industry analysts are keenly observing this development, anticipating that a significantly improved Siri could reshape the competitive dynamics within the AI and digital assistant sectors, potentially driving increased adoption and user loyalty. User impact. This potential upgrade has sparked considerable discussion among users, with many hopeful that Siri will finally become a truly competitive and indispensable tool for their daily digital lives. And that wraps up our deep dive into these incredible tech updates. Stick around for a quick recap and our call to action. And that's a wrap on today's essential tech updates. We've seen Apple potentially supercharge Siri with AI search, Perplexity's Comet browser heading to Android, Zacks Equity Research offering market insights, and Apple's broader AI ambitions. What a packed show. Don't miss out on future breakdowns. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech, and ring that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And for all the latest, follow us on all our social channels. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.